today I have this beautiful neutral glam look that you guys can use for any event. Like if you want to look subtly cute and glowy, hello, this is the look. This is a requested look because I've been doing a lot of dramatic looks recently, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take it down a notch. I'm gonna do a neutral glam, take them 3 eyeshadows, and they will look cute as hell. So I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted me to use the ABH Modern Renaissance on my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and all of you guys said the ABH Modern Renaissance. Well, not all. That's a lie. But a lot of you guys said the ABH Modern Renaissance, so I used that palette, of course. Do follow me on my Instagram because you guys know I talk a lot there. I rant a lot. I had a story time. It gets a bit worse. If you guys have already watched it, it gets a bit worse. I'll make a whole entire YouTube video on that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know the deal with that. And if you guys want to know how I got this beautiful neutral glam look, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna first take my ABH Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna take the shade Burnt Orange with my BH Cosmetics 101 brush. It's ultimately just like a fluffy brush, and all you want to do is just slap that onto your crease and just bring it in and out all the way. Make sure the color is on every section of the whole entire crease. And then I'm gonna take the shade Cypress Umber and Raw Sienna, and I'm just gonna put that right on the outer corners. As you guys can see, I made like sort of like a liner at the edge of my eye, and then I just like winged it and then put it into my crease and just continue blend and blend and blend. This whole look is just blending and making it look very, very seamless, and just like, damn, that's some nice ass eye look you got there. You know what I mean? You know. So yeah, just continue blending. And then I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs Do You Drops. And then I'm just gonna take that with a like flat brush and just applying that and like sort of like cutting my crease with that. And then I'm gonna take the shade Primavera and just applying that all over my eyelids, just to give like, just to set that liquid highlight in place. I'm just going to draw a liner just so that when I apply the lashes, it will have something to grip on, basically. So it does not look like there's like a major difference between the lash line and then the lashes. And then the lashes I got are from Naimi Collections in number 6. So now that we have the eyes done, we're going to start by priming the face. Okay, I don't know why, but it feels so awkward to talk on camera. I've not talked on camera in like so long. Why is my shirt with me right now? So anyways, I'm gonna use my Australis Matte Out Mattifying Face Base. This controls oil, even skin tone. Why am I even telling you guys this? I use this in like pretty much every tutorial. Because you all know. Because I'm not in love with this, that's why I use this in every tutorial. How have you guys been? I feel like I haven't talked on YouTube in like 10 years. Like the previous video you just saw of me was filmed 3 weeks ago. I've not filmed in so long. It feels so weird to talk. Ugh. Gotta snap out of this. For foundation, I'm gonna be mixing my Loreal Le Teint True Match with my Catrice Prime and Prime Makeup Transformation drops. And I just want to finish this foundation because I've had this for so long. It's kind of nasty at this point. Oh wow, that matched me to the T. You know what? It might look a little bit light. No, the foundation is too light. I thought it matched me. I was wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this and redo the foundation. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. Better than ever. Applied the foundation back, but this time I'm gonna blend it out again. Hopefully this time it matches me, because I'm just not in the mood. So, you know, I have to fix my foundation again. I'm sorry if I sound very, very off in this video. I don't know why. I'm just like mildly tired, but I promise you, I'm not unhappy with life. Like, life is good. I mean, could be better, but it's going good. For concealer, I'm gonna be using my Garnier BB Eye Roll-On. I haven't used this in like 20 years. I'm just gonna apply that underneath my eye. I'm not gonna do it anywhere else except for underneath my eye because as you guys know, my foundation is already like kind of lighter than my neck. Not really that much. I have not used this beauty blender in like forever because I'm so obsessed with the Brina Beauty one. I mean, I still like it and I still think it's a good sponge, but is it worth $30+? I think $32. Maybe they have increased it. Oh my god. And I'm gonna set my face and my under eyes with the L'Oreal True Match powder. Again, I just want to finish them because I've had them for the longest time. Can y'all please like tell me what dramas you guys are watching? Like, I'm currently watching Dynasty. I was watching Stranger Things. I'm at season 1. I'm gonna go to season 2 soon. I finished season 1 already, but like I just want to watch something else also. I'm watching Dynasty. I love Dynasty. Although I'm only at episode 2, but I'm just like, I'm in love with it already. You know what I mean? I'm like obsessed. I love Elizabeth, or Liz Gillis. She is such a good actress and she plays the evil person so well. I wonder if she's actually that evil in real life, you know what I mean? But like, if she is, I totally respect that because like, do what you do, boo. Maybe because I respect that because I'm like partially evil, so like. So to bronze up my skin, I'm going to be using my Catrice Prime and Fine Contouring Palette. Love this bronzer. So I kind of like bronze up my skin. My skin looks like really bronzy now. I love it. Like it's matching my neck. That's what I want. To contour my cheeks, I'm going to be taking my Hoola bronzer by Benefit and using the brush that it comes in with because I think it's an amazing brush. I'm just going to chisel out the cheeks. So for blush, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Risque and it's a beautiful pinky, peachy, brownie color. I'm just going to apply that onto my cheeks. I love how it gives like this warmth to my skin. I love it. I'm so obsessed with blush, if you guys don't know. Like, you know how I recently had a haul and it was mainly highlights? Probably the next haul that you're gonna see in like a year from now, because your girl's broke, will be like blushes, like only blushes. For highlight, I'm gonna be taking my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, and this is the Golden Scent edition. Okay, be a rude ass bitch and shut on me. I'm gonna take the cream highlight first, and this is in the shade Fiji. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just apply that onto my cheeks, like the place that you would place your highlight, which is your cheekbones. Now, what I love about this cream is that it goes on powdered nicely. Like, if I were to put the Marc Jacobs, like this Marc Jacobs Do You Dew Drops on top of my foundation that has powder, it's a disaster, okay? So before it truly sets in, I'm gonna go into the shade Seychelles and Tahiti, and I'm gonna mix them both. Bitch, it is Gorgina. Look at that though. I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender and blend that out because that shit's way too harsh. I'm always into harsh highlights, but this is like way too harsh. It looks like there's just a streak. So I'm just gonna blend that in. Oh my god, that's literally so gorgeous. Going back to my under eye, I'm not gonna zoom you guys all the way in because I just don't find the need to. I'm gonna go back into Cypress Umber and just applying that underneath my lower lash line. I'm gonna take raw sienna with burnt orange, and I'm just gonna blend it. I love the way this eyes and the whole entire look turned out. It's giving me really fresh, dewy, like glowing kind of vibes. I feel like I'm gonna wear this for my graduation. So I could call this like a graduation makeup, but at the same time it's like I just want to do a neutral glam. So for lipstick, I'm gonna be wearing nudes because I love my nudes, and I'm gonna be mixing. I'm gonna take Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Times Square and the Ultra Satin Lip in Magic Wand. This is a bit darker, just a little bit darker, and then I love Magic Wand. It's just such a beautiful color, but sometimes I feel like I cannot pull it off as much. So I'm gonna put that like right at the center and just give like a nice ombre effect. So yeah, this is the completed look. It looks so beautiful. I love it so much. I feel like my skin is like glowy and beautiful and neutral and glam. If you guys recreated this look for any event, let's say for graduation, or if you want me to do your graduation makeup using this look, this concept, everything about this, then let me know. You guys can email me if you guys want me to do your makeup. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys! Mwah.